Let's go right to the phone calls tonight, and Jackie from Odenville joins us now. Jackie, you are on LawCall this evening. What's your legal question tonight, sir?
Yes, sir. What really happened was a young man broke into my home, and I shot at him. And they put me in UAB hospital, and they kept me there 36 days. Most of that time, I couldn't see a lawyer or talk to anybody. I want to know, what rights do I have? What else is it? What rights do I have? They kept me in there 36 days, and they didn't let me talk to anybody for the first 2 weeks. And who I was tried by was one judge, and the other judge was appointed as my lawyer. What rights do I have?
Jackie, just to be clear, you were actually placed under arrest when this happened?
No, I wasn't.
Okay.
So what you're talking about is actually an involuntary commitment, and that happens when someone believes that you are a danger to yourself or others. And what's supposed to happen when that occurs is that you're supposed to actually get a hearing, and they appoint you a lawyer who's supposed to come and help you present the case for why you don't need to be committed. And then in order for you to stay committed, there has to be a hearing that a judge presides over to determine, here's the case for why you should be committed versus the case of why you should not, and then they rule on that and determine whether you'll be let out or not. And so that is, you're entitled to what we call due process, which is notice and an opportunity to be heard, which is why you were appointed counsel. But once that commitment takes hold, the government can actually institutionalize you if there's a finding that you are actually a danger to yourself or others. Now, if that was done maliciously, if you were committed improperly, if you aren't giving a hearing, then there might be recourse for you if the proper procedures weren't followed or if someone committed you improperly.